bearings not working on this old Craftsman lawnmower. I already got it fixed, but I want to show you how simple it is to fix it because it was clicking when you turn it. Look, underneath the battery here, there's a plate and down here. And if you take a look here, there's the side nuts on it. And I'm just going to show you how it comes out so quick and easy. Okay, same with the other side, it's got two. Here's the last one. Now, understand, I've already done the job, but I'm just showing you how quick and easy it is now that I'm familiar with it. I'm a carpenter, I'm not a mechanic. Okay, right down here, there's a side nut, and all I had to do was tighten it up because I was having a lot of play right here. So basically, my son came out and put Loctite on it. I'm just showing it to you, but just like that. This would loosen it, that would tighten it up. And that's all it is, guys. Anybody can fix this. Last time I had a mechanic, he charged me 45 bucks, except he didn't put Loctite on it. There, nice and tight. Should be good for the summer now. Okay, another job well done. All done.